A delight to be here with you. Thank you. So years ago, I needed a new home. I was walking down the street when suddenly I had a sense that I needed to go into this specific cafe in order to find a new place to live. It didn't make any kind of logical sense, but I did it. I walked into the cafe and I said to the woman, "I'm looking for somewhere to live." And she said, "Wonderful. I'm looking for a new flatmate." Problems are part of everyday life. There's many every day. We can easily feel overwhelmed, and then we compound it by criticizing ourselves for not operating in a linear masculine way, which makes everything worse, inhibiting our natural feminine practicality. Please know you don't need to struggle for hours with a problem to work it out. You already have the feminine gift of creative problem solving. You can access and use it. For a woman, everything is economic. Our tasks are both inside and outside the home. For us, economy means not just money, but managing our precious resource of energy. Women are natural problem solvers. We have to be, we just have to get on with it. And unlike men, who tend to operate from analysis and strategy and focus on a single idea, us women operate from the body, from wholeness, from inclusivity, from devotion, from multitasking, from being in relationship with many people and things and objects and elements at the same time. Women are especially connected to our heart and soul, and that is our real strength. The COVID crisis has shown that women are great leaders. We can creatively synthesize and respond to many different demands at the same time. Being a mother is a credential. Our experiences and skills learnt on this job cannot easily be learnt elsewhere. Women are a great underused resource. The future is female. The Dalai Lama famously said that the world would be saved by Western women. Creative solutions come from welcoming our state of vulnerability and need, our longings and desires, admitting that we don't know and asking for help. Jesus said it as, "Ask and you shall receive." Hafiz, the Sufi poet, said it as, "Every heart will get what it prays for most." And to me, this means holding a question and being open to receiving, answering information, not from mind, but from the web of our relationships with everything else. Sobon Fuson, the female African spiritual teacher, said it as, "Receiving reassures you of abundance." So the key to creatively solving problems is to slow right down and allow our natural feminine capabilities to come up with a solution. Answers often arrive while we're doing something else, like playing with a child, cooking a meal, washing up, gardening, going for a walk, having a bath. Sometimes while we're watching TV, or even in the stillness of a noisy nightclub. Inspiration strikes us at unexpected times and in unexpected places. I want you to be awake to receiving this important information from your soul directly. Information can arrive as sensation, imagery, or knowing, and it is absolutely worth paying attention to. So, sensation. Women naturally operate from our body. Our center of gravity is much lower than men's. We're located in our belly and our pelvis, and we have easy access to sensation and spirituality. And this is a great gift. Years ago, I stepped out of the way of an unseen falling object because of a sensation in the top of my head. It probably saved my life. All sensation is communication. So now I invite you to close your eyes and take a small journey of discovery into sensation. Feel your feet on the ground and your bottom on the chair, and then notice what you notice. Do you sense pain or nothingness? Maybe a prickle in your skin or tension in your neck. Are you tired or full of beans? Are there butterflies in your tummy or maybe a genital response? What is the sensation in your body right now? What is it telling you? Is there something that you need to do? Imagery. Women are naturally sensitive to visual information. We create beauty in our homes and on our dining tables, in the way that we dress ourselves for our lovers and respond to the beauty in our children. We often need to tidy our space, creating order and beauty before we're able to begin working. Beauty is a transpersonal power, taking us to another realm where answers can be found. Images can appear to us in our nighttime dreams or our daytime daydreaming, maybe on a t-shirt or a van passing by, maybe a musical phrase, an image of a place we've been or we'd like to go to, or a flower or person that's particularly attractive to us. Sometimes an image arises about a particular topic, like maybe our boss, maybe an image of a fly on the surface of water. An image is a dense piece of information. It contains a lot. Rachel Carson, founder of the environmental movement, said, "Those who contemplate the beauty of the earth find reserves of strength that will endure as long as life lasts." The Navajo people honor the beauty, honor the power of beauty, and they say it is finished in beauty. So for a moment now, be still and see if an image arises or catches your attention in your imagination or your immediate environment. Does it carry any meaning or significance for you? And knowing. Attuning to our natural receptivity enables us to receive information directly as intuition, impulse, instinctual intelligence, gnosis, whatever you want to call it. It's direct guidance from your soul. A powerful woman is one who just knows. All women have a strong capacity to receive. We are attuned to information coming into us from the earth and community. We feel energy, and through feeling can just know. I often call this capacity knowing without knowing. It provides us with creative solutions. At the end of January, I walked into a social event and somehow knew I was appreciated by someone on the left. I had to look round the room until I saw the man who might appreciate me. We got chatting, couldn't stop, and now he's my boyfriend. And I'm sure that you have a similarly surprising, creative solution story in your life. So when you're next faced with a problem, I encourage you to slow down enough to receive the incoming answering information, however it arises, a sensation, imagery, or knowing, and to be brave enough to take action on it, even if it's not logical. Women are wise. Our creative capacities are optimized by welcoming our femininity. The way that we work is inclusive, devotional, cyclical, spontaneous, dynamic, emotional, receptive, and wonderful. Trust yourself. You can easily and naturally, creatively solve your problems.